Alright, let's learn how to create a funnel chart by using pivot table, which was previously created by using this data table. Now let's get the pivot data by using our if statement. Press if j38, alright, equals 0, then empty, otherwise j38. Close brackets, sum of solved units, drag it down, Control R, Control C, Control V, and there you go. We have the data now. Okay, so select this one. For the data we have 4 products and their respective units sold. Go to insert, go to recommended charts, select this one. This is the funnel chart. You can also select it from the funnel, right? Select it. There you go. Now we have our funnel chart. Press Ctrl X, go to tutorial dashboard, paste it over here, press Ctrl F1 to hide the ribbon. Alright, now place it over here. Now let's start formatting. Okay, to format the funnel chart, first let's click right, format plot area, click no fill, no line. Alright, click the outer part, no fill, no line. There we have. Then delete the chart title and press Ctrl F1, let the ribbon appear, scroll it down. Alright, first change the text to here. Increase the font size to 14. These are the data label. Change it to 15. Increase it to 16. That's fine. Okay. Now the next thing that we have to do is select the bars over here, and then click to no border. Go to gradient color. Alright, it picked the already color that was behind it. Okay, let's change it. Select this one, white. No, alright, let's just invert it. Okay, that's good. First position it, change the color to this blue. That's good, that looks good. Okay, for the blue position, let's take it to over there, and then set the transparency to 30%, brightness to -50%. That looks good. Okay, for the white color, set the position to this, transparency to around 80% to make it even more brighter, and brightness -5%. That's perfectly fine. And another thing, go to here, select this axis, click no line, and there we have it. I think so we just have to increase a little bit. Alright, so there we are. Now we have created our funnel chart.